1966 USA 1-cent coin, Lincoln Memorial Cent. Iantaro, could a 1966 penny be worth millions? What if that ordinary-looking penny in your change jar could actually be worth thousands, or even millions? Today's video dives into the story of the 1966 Lincoln Cent, a coin often overlooked, yet packed with hidden secrets, rare errors, and collector demand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and whether your 1966 penny could be the next big treasure. Historical background: America in 1966 and the mint's strategy. In 1966, the United States Mint was still facing the effects of the great coin shortage of the mid-1960s. Silver was removed from circulating dimes and quarters in 1965, and to streamline coin production and discourage hoarding, the U.S. Mint temporarily eliminated mint marks from all coins from 1965 to 1967. This means all 1966 pennies, regardless of where they were minted, Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco, were released without a mint mark. Also, during this period, the mint did not issue any proof coins, but rather special mint sets, SMS, for collectors. Design and symbols: the familiar yet detailed LOOK. The 1966 1-cent coin features the classic Lincoln Memorial design introduced in 1959, obverse, front sculpted by Victor David Brenner. It displays a right-facing bust of Abraham Lincoln, with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust," above "Liberty," to the left the year, 1966, to the right no mint mark under the date, by policy. Reverse, back designed by Frank Gasparo. The reverse shows the Lincoln Memorial, flanked by United States of America, at the top, E pluribus unum, just above the building 1 cent, boldly at the bottom. Interestingly, if you look closely inside the memorial, you'll spot a tiny statue of Lincoln, an incredible miniature detail that many overlook. The Lincoln Memorial symbolizes unity and reverence for the 16th president's legacy. Mintage process: how the 1966 penny was produced in response to the coin shortage. The mint optimized efficiency during this time. Composition: 95% copper, 5% zinc. Weight: 3.11 grams. No mint marks, regardless of origin. No proofs, only SMS. Special mint sets were produced for collectors instead of proof coins. Mintage totals for 1966 Lincoln cents: regular strike coins, 2, 188, 147, 783. Special mint set, SMS 2, 261, 583. The massive production meant these coins were common, but hidden varieties and conditions make certain ones extremely valuable. Rarity and varieties: the hidden GMS. While most 1966 cents are easy to find, several varieties are rare and valuable. SMS Cameo and Deep Cameo, coins from the special mint sets with frosted devices and mirrored fields, are rare in high grades. Cameo and Deep Cameo designations command huge premiums. Double die obverse, DDO coins with doubling in the inscriptions, Liberty, or In God We Trust, are highly collectible. Double die reverse, DDR less common, but look for doubling in 1 cent, or the Lincoln Memorial columns struck on silver dime planchet, very rare and valuable. These appear silver, weigh around 2.5 grams, and can bring $5,000 to $15,000 or more. Off-center strike, coins missing part of the design with full date visible, especially those 50% off-center, can bring hundreds. Clipped planchets and broad strikes, mint errors that result in odd shapes or missing parts. Values range from $50 to over $500 depending on severity. Wrong planchet errors: a 1966 cent struck on a foreign coin planchet or nickel blank can be worth thousands. Value: what is a 1966 penny really worth? Here's how value breaks down by condition and rarity. Circulated, common typically 1 to 3 cents, based on copper value. Mint state, uncirculated, MS60, MS63, 10 cents to $0.5 thousand. MS64, MS65, $1 to $500. MS66 red, $10 to $2,000. MS67 red, $150 to $500 plus. Special mint set coins, SMS no cameo, $3 to $800. SMS Cameo, $30 to $1,000 plus. SMS Deep Cameo, $250 to $1,500 plus. Errors and varieties: DDO or DDR, $50 to $5,000 plus. Off-center strikes, $75 to $5,000 plus. Silver dime planchet, $7, 500 plus. Foreign planchet errors, $10,000 plus certified coins with PCGS or NGC MS67 plus red or deep cameo SMS are highly sought after. Recent auctions, incredible sales. You need 2 KNOW. Some 1966 Lincoln cents have sold for eye-popping prices. A 1966 SMS Lincoln cent in SP68 red deep cameo sold for $4,935 at auction, a DDO. Variety in MS65 red sold $4,625, a silver-colored 1966 penny struck on dime planchet was estimated at over $8,000, a well-struck off-center 1966 penny with full date fetched $720, high-grade MS67 red regular strikes have sold between $250 and $1,000. Clearly, the right coin in the right condition can bring serious money. Could a 1966 penny be worth millions? So, could a 1966 penny be worth millions? While none have reached that mark yet, there are possibilities. Discovery of a new, unknown mule error, such as a 1966 cent struck with a reverse from another denomination, a unique error coin struck on experimental metal, the only known MS68 plus red business strike, certified by PCGS or NGC, a coin featured in a major collection. Driving bidding wars at elite auctions with collectors constantly searching for new varieties and auction values rising, it's not impossible that a unique specimen could break the $1 million ceiling in the future. Conclusion: check your change and know the SIGNSO. Now you know, the 1966 penny isn't just a common coin. It's a doorway into a world of history, hidden value, and rare treasures. Whether you've got one from circulation or inherited a box of old coins, look closely for sharp strikes, signs of doubling, and odd shapes or colors. You never know, you could be holding a 5, or even 6-figure coin. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into US coins, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a valuable update. Got a 1966 penny with something weird about it? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.